YouTubers, hello my bangers, what it is, what it do, where is that, bring it back, and do not forget to like and subscribe, and we'll love you long time. Hi guys! Yes, it's me. I don't have an intro video for this, but I just came to y'all because I wanted to unbox this, okay? I come to y'all, real short and simple unboxing, okay? Y'all see that? This is special to me because I be looking all over for these at just in America. They don't sell these in Mobile. So excuse my nails, y'all, they messed up. I paid $26 for this. Ganya Banyanya. It's a soursop. It's a soursop tree. I was looking for some seeds, but y'all know I don't do nothing like that. So let's open it. I already told y'all what it is, but I know what it is. But it's a root or a tree, and it might be a tree because it's pretty tall. But it's a root, and it needs to be planted. Okay. So let's open it, and let's look at how they put a root or a tree. Okay. So they got it taped some kind of way. I don't know who that is. You got it like wrapped up in a napkin. See if I can get it where y'all can see what I'm doing. And this is my other side of the house. I know y'all never seen this scenery before. This is where I had that leak at. Alright. This is so. This is what they put it in. Unboxing this soursop tree.
Unboxing?
Yeah. For people on YouTube. But it's a tree. I was looking for the seeds, but they ain't had no.
So you gonna plant it?
Let's see if I can take care of it. It look like it's already done. It look good though.
You said what kind of tree it is?
Soursop. It's another word for it too. Start with a G. They're like really high on minerals. This is like the only plant that I think that has like 92 minerals in it by itself. Like close to 102 minerals. I have to look it up and make sure. Like if I put it wrong, I put it in the video how many minerals it got. But it's really like these things grow like a lot.
Oh, it's a fruit. Okay. But
they only grow like they don't naturally grow over here like Africa and maybe
it says
Jamaica.
The exact origin is unknown. It is native to the tropical regions of the Americas and the Caribbean.
It's a damn bug on this shit. What the hell is that? They trying to send some witchcraft shit over here? That shit was
like attached to that, huh?
Shit out there. Hey YouTubers, I'm back. Okay, so look, y'all, at the end of that video of the box opening, I forgot I was even on camera. Okay, trying to open up that this tree, which is a soursop with a genzoi. I can't remember how to pronounce it, but yes, it is a soursop. Now, I found out about a soursop from Dr.Sebi, which I say Sebi. So, Dr.Sebi. And I believe he was telling me, well, not me, but he was, when I was picking up on his learning, his teaching, basically he teaches you nutrition, which is what to eat, only certain vegetables and fruits that you're gonna eat, and that's it. And go check him out though, if you want to like learn more on foods and stuff like that. But anyway, I believe he was saying that it was like this fruit holds 92 of one of the 102 minerals that your body needs daily. It was something on my arm. I bet y'all like, what is she doing? Blowing or something. So let me repeat myself. So Dr. Sebi was teaching one day. It's like a YouTube video, or I read some articles or something. I can't remember. But I know he was saying that this is one of the highest fruit on minerals. So this fruit has 92 minerals of 102. So I went to Google and looked and asked Google how much minerals does a soursop has, and it only said that it has a lot of minerals, and started stating some of the minerals that it has in it, but it does not state exactly how many minerals and all the minerals that's in it. It's not giving me the full information that I need to move on with my life. I'm curious, okay? But he said it. And you also can like take samples of fruits and vegetables and stuff like that, send them off to a lab, maybe Google it or something. Maybe I'll find out for y'all and tell y'all where y'all can send fruits and stuff off to find out the pH balance of the fruits. And if you didn't know that anything lower than a 7 is acidic, and anything that's 7 and higher is alkaline. And that's just a whole nother story, and that is the journey that I am on in my life. I am trying to get to an alkaline lifestyle, and that's the reason why I want to grow this. I've been looking for this plant everywhere. Y'all don't even know. Like, I've been looking for this plant everywhere. I've been looking for the soursop. You can't even find the soursop. Like, probably Miami sells it, but it's nowhere in Alabama. Most people never even heard of soursops. So I seen someone post something about soursops in this group I'm in, and it was like $27 a pound. The cheapest one I seen somebody post was probably $9, if I'm not mistaken. It might have been something else, but soursop is very expensive because of all of the minerals that they have in it. It said that it can even fight cancer off. It can beat cancer out of your body. This plant right here, it's a tree. It says that it can fight off cancer. Google it, y'all, or I'll put a little Google in for you and explain a little bit more on the soursop. Alright, so this is the end of this video. I planted this soursop like a week ago, and nothing's really changed on it. I probably picked about 2 leaves off of it, nothing major, but it's just growing, and I'm gonna give it time to grow and heal and do what it needs to do to get used to this climate. Maybe it's not the climate that it's used to, but it does get hot in Alabama, so we're gonna see what it does. So I thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and we will love you long time. And until next time, guys, I holler. Peace.